Consider the set of numbers 1, 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 to the power 100. The ratio of the last number to the sum of the remaining numbers is closest to what? So basically the last number is 3 to the power 100 and all the remaining numbers are 1, 3, 3 square, till 3 to the power 99. This is clearly a geometric progression. In a geometric progression, the ratio between consecutive terms is a constant. For example, they will be of the form A, which is the first term, A into R, so the common ratio is R, A into R square, A into R cube, and so on. And say there are n terms, so the last term will be A into R to the power n minus 1. What is the sum of all the terms or the sum of the first n terms of a geometric progression? The sum of n terms is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. In this particular case, the first term is 1, the common ratio is 3 and the number of terms is 100. So if you are calculating its sum, first term is 1, so 1 into 3 to the power 100 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. This is the sum of all the remaining terms. This is equal to 3 to the power 100 minus 1 divided by 2. So if you are taking the ratio of 3 to the power 100, which is the last term, and the sum of the remaining 100 terms, that will be 3 to the power 100 divided by 3 to the power 100 minus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 2 into 3 to the power 100 divided by 3 to the power 100 minus 1. Now the thing that you should notice is that 3 to the power 100 is a very, very large number. So the minus 1 over here can be ignored when you are calculating the ratio of 3 to the power 100 and 3 to the power 100 minus 1. Just to give you an idea, if say the value of n is 10,000, which is a very large number, the value of 10,000 divided by 9,999 will be very close to 1. If you are adding one more 0, this will become even more closer to 1. Similarly, 3 to the power 100 is actually a much larger number. So the 1 over here can be ignored. So this is very close to 2. So amongst the options, the one which will be the correct answer is option B, which is 2.